Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Today our video is about inevitable abortion on ultrasound. Definition. Inevitable abortion refers to a miscarriage that is in progress and can't be prevented. It refers to the presence of an open internal os in the presence of bleeding in the first trimester of pregnancy. Most often the conception products are not expelled and intracervical contents are present at the time of the examination. A sac may be seen low within the uterus and progressive migration of the same may be demonstrated on serial scans. Ultrasound findings in inevitable abortion according to number 1 cervical changes, number 2 gestational sac, number 3 fetal cardiac activity. Number 1 cervical changes. The cervix is open or dilated, often greater than 3 cm. Effacement or shortening of the cervical canal is usually evident. In these pictures, the cervix is open and a 9 weeks old fetus is seen within the lower uterine segment. There was no fetal cardiac activity. Number 2. Gestational sac. The gestational sac may be low-lying in the uterus, near or within the cervix. The sac may appear irregular or distorted, indicating impending expulsion. This ultrasound image shows the gestational sac is low within the uterine cavity. Low implantation versus inevitable abortion. Spontaneous abortion in the same day. Number 3. Fetal cardiac activity. Fetal cardiac activity may or may not be present. If absent, it indicates non-viability, confirming the diagnosis. Additional diagnostic criteria. According to symptoms, patient typically present with vaginal bleeding and cramping, which correlate with ultrasound findings. According to quantitative human chorionic gonadotropin levels, correlation with declining or plateauing serum human chorionic gonadotropin levels can help confirm non-viable pregnancy. The presence of cervical dilatation alongside ultrasound findings confirms the diagnosis of inevitable abortion, distinguishing it from other early pregnancy complications such as threatened or missed abortion.